And these are going to be the items that you will be needing.
So, all you need is for this is googly eyes, Play-Doh.
Yeah, Play-Doh,
rainbow stickers,
cleaning pipes, glue, and of course some sporks, and a pink marker or color pencil, whatever you have.
And glue.
Yep, and we also have craft sticks for his feet.
And his feet.
And we can't forget about these rubber bands for his eyes and mouth.
Yep, eyes and mouth.
So let's get started. If you guys didn't know, Forky is a new character to Toy Story 4. It's a new character that Bonnie made. If you haven't watched the trailer, here it is.
Okay, class, craft time. Hello, I'm Forky.
Now we're going to get our sporks. And the first thing we're going to put on Forky is the googly eyes.
Googly eyes.
So now we're going to open the googly eyes up because we need Forky to have eyes so he can see and play.
Because he has eyes right there.
Yep. And Forky has one big eye and one little eye.
So we're going to do the same thing on here.
Yeah, so me and Jenny are going to get one little eye and then one big eye. So guys, I gave Jelani and me our googly eyes. And now we're going to put the glue on the googly eyes. And me and Jenny have the cup of glue here and a paintbrush. Yep. And we have this for we can spread this here. But you don't have to do this. Me and Jenny just did this for it can be easier.
Yeah.
You want a little bit on the brush. And then you want to brush it on. And then you want to stick it on Forky. Let's see. I think the little eye goes on. Which side? The right?
Yeah.
So right here? Yeah. Guys, look at he's already looking like Forky.
Yeah, just like him. Okay.
Now
another eye.
Yep, now I'm going to do my big eye. Just like that.
Put it on there.
It's going to go right by the little eye. Guys, Forky looks so silly. He's so cute. So now it's Jelani's turn.
So I'm going to his little eyes like this.
So now she's going to put a little bit on. And then she's going to brush it on her googly eyes. Because Forky needs eyes. Yeah. He was about to stick it on this Forky right here. Silly. Ah, he's so cute.
Finally, let's do my next one.
Yep, now let's do this googly eye. Or is it this one? I think it's that one.
Yeah.
This one escaped from the bag. Okay. Yep, just a little bit. And then you want to stick it on.
Look at my Forky. Googly.
So guys, now me and Jenny are going to do his face. So we need blue rubber bands and red ones. So Jenny, you got yours?
Yeah, I got my blue one. So I can do
You need red?
Yeah. Okay.
So for the red one, as you can see, Forky has it like this, and the red one is a circle. So we have scissors to cut it like that. And then we're gonna glue it on his face like that.
Yep. I'm gonna cut.
Guys, when you cut it, it's actually a little bit too long. So I think you wanna cut it just a tiny bit more. Not that much, but a little bit. I think like that's good. Yeah, do you think that's good? Yep. Did you cut yours or not yet?
I did. I want to cut mine.
Okay, now Jenny's gonna cut hers, and I think I'm gonna start gluing mine on. Okay. Curly like that? So then we need to put the glue on here.
Yeah. It's paintbrush. I'm gonna spray my hand.
Okay, I want mine right. So guys, I'm done putting on his forehead. As you can see, he's already forming into Forky.
Yep. And now it's my turn.
Yep, and Jelani is gonna put his forehead on.
Is that his eyebrow?
It's a little bit too much.
I don't know what it is.
I'm gonna do mine just like you.
And then later on, I'm gonna start putting on his mouth. So guys, I put my mouth on, as you can see. And he's already looking more like Forky. And Jenny's starting to put her mouth on. But guys, look at, he's so cute and silly. Don't you think?
I didn't really put on the glue.
Uh-oh, his mouth is falling off. But next, I think we're gonna do his arms. So we're gonna open the clean cuts up. And as you can see, Forky's arms are red, so we're gonna get the red clean cut. And you only need one of them. So
Guys, look at my Forky.
Ah, he's so cute. So there's one for you and here's one for me. And I think we're gonna tie this around him.
Jimmy, look at my
Like this?
mustache.
Oh my gosh, silly. So guys, as you can see, me and Jenny are done putting his arms. And you guys, look at, we made him fingers.
Look at my finger.
Yep, it's so cute.
Yep.
So now he has hands.
He's gonna hug me.
Now, do we do the Play-Doh next? Yep. So me and Jenny got this Play-Doh, so we're gonna open it up. Brand new. And it's confetti Play-Doh.
Wow.
Oh, guys, look how pretty this Play-Doh is. And we're gonna break it in half. Here's a look. So pretty.
I smell it.
Jenny, it doesn't smell like a cake or frosting. So guys, first you wanna make it into a ball and then you wanna squish it for it looks like this. So Jenny, that's what Jelani's doing. So you wanna show them why we're squishing? Just like that. And then you're gonna put it like this, right? Okay guys, so as you can see, so what you want to do is shape it. You can shape it anyway, and I shaped it like this. So shape it any way that it makes it stand. So after you're finished doing that, so Jenny's still doing hers, that's how you want it to shape. So guys, next you want to get your pink marker or colored pencil or whatever you have, and make Forky's pink cheeks. Just like that. Super cute. So now it's Jelani's turn. Here you go, Jenny. Jelani's work is looking cute. I'm gonna put his little cheeks on.
Guys, look at it.
So cute. Next, you wanna put your feet. And we have popsicle sticks for his feet. But don't forget to put your name because Bonnie has her name under Forky's feet. So I'm gonna put my name, and Jenny already put her name, right, Jenny?
It says Jelani.
Jelani. And then you wanna put them in like that. And then you wanna put the other one in.
I'm gonna put one. I'm gonna put my name. It's my name.
Like that. No, you wanna put it the other way. You wanna face it the way that it's not showing your name. Yeah, so you want to flip it over. There we go. But now it's time for the final touch.
Stickers, my favorite. Stickers. Okay, I'm gonna get.
So if you guys didn't know, Forky has a little rainbow on, I think it's his left side of his foot. And so now we're gonna go like that. And then half is like that. And now we have completed Forky! So this is our Forky, and we finally finished him. As you can see, here's his rainbow and my name, and I can't wait till the movie comes out. It's gonna be so good.
And guys, look at it. Forky's doing the dance.
Okay, guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you like it. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!